How to enable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, locate the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. This section allows you to customize how you interact with your screen. Now, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Call Audio Routing. This feature determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. Here, change the setting from automatic to speaker by tapping on it. Your calls will now automatically use the speaker. Following these steps, you can easily enable automatic speaker on an iPhone during a call. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.